Hello, Mountain Chic family. Welcome back. I don't know about you. Are you tired of making all the hearts for Valentine's Day? I don't know why, but this year I absolutely loved making hearts. And I'm not even a heart girl, but I loved it. So I hope you guys really enjoyed your Valentine's crafts, because I sure did. I don't even know if I'm quite done with it, but today we're gonna jump into spring and we are gonna do some really cute spring Easter crafts, which Easter is one of my favorites, I have to say, so I'm pretty excited. So what you're going to need is maybe either some twine, string, ribbon, or rubber bands, and then some Dollar Tree socks. I went ahead and got different colors and different sizes. I'm even gonna make some little teeny tiny ones. Look how cute those are. They were at the Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh, it's been a long time since I had little ones. And then I also found this really sweet color blanket. Oh, and it's so soft, so I'm gonna try to make one of them out of that too. I am going to use some of these, the drawer scents that you put in your drawers. I'm gonna use a little bit of that as well. And some rice. And I don't know if your Dollar Tree still has these. Really, you can use jute, you can use sticks in your yard. It doesn't really matter, but hey, I got this at my Dollar Tree and it's really like part of a witch's broom. It was back in the fall, but my Dollar Tree still had them. So go figure, I thought it'd be really cute. So that's what we're gonna be using for today's craft. So let's get to crafting.
Let's start with the large white sock. And as you can see, I did combine my rice with those drawer scents. They are in a pouch. I do have to say it is a bit messy. They're kind of dirty almost, but it worked. And oh my goodness, these little bunnies smell so good. So I combined my rice and that little scented pouch and then started filling my little bunny. And then I just use rubber bands. It just seemed easy. You could tie it off with jute, but definitely get that tied off really good so you don't lose the next layer into your first layer of adding the body and the head to your little bunny. Okay, let's start building that sweet little face. I just used some twine for the little mouth, and then you can cut out the nose. I cut it into a heart, but really you can do whatever you want. It could be a circle or whatever. But I just cut it out I had some potpourri, so that one I did with potpourri, but the other bunnies I believe I did with just some fabric. So it's really up to you to customize it however you want. After I did the nose and the mouth, I went ahead and on two of the bunnies, I just used a Sharpie to do their eyes. And then the other bunny, I just used some little black stickers, really, is what they were. They stick on like if you're making cards or things like that. So I believe they're called chads or something like that. Anyway, just build that sweet little face however you want. As you can see, I am adding the nose right now, but really I should have added the whiskers first. I did learn that when I did the other bunnies, but do the whiskers and then put that nose on there. All right, so right now our bunny has a unit ear. So let's go ahead and give him 2 ears. All you're gonna do is pull that sock back, cut right down the middle, and there you go, 2 cute little floppy ears. All right, she is just looking so cute, but we do need to get her dressed. I used buttons, but you could use whatever you want. You could even make a little pocket and stick some little carrots or some floral in it as well. So that's all I did is I just used buttons. So let's go ahead and get these bunnies dressed. All right, in the bunny world, even though she's a girl, she has some cute little whiskers. I wish they were cute on me. Anyway, I just used that witch's broom that I showed you in the beginning. It was a fall decor, but for some reason my Dollar Tree still had them. But if you don't have that, then just go find some sticks. Even twine would work. What would a mountain chic bunny be if she didn't have a messy bow? So now I just put some ribbon and even a little bit of twine and bunched it together and stuck it on there with some hot glue. And it really does finish it off. So, so sweet. Okay, and here is our little sister family. Is it weird that I really want to name them? I'm thinking Gertrude is the white one, little baby Daphne, and then big sister in the pink, Priscilla. I don't know, call me kooky, call me crazy, but these are so cute. Another very short crafting video is done. Wow, I hope you enjoyed this. Talk about easy, and most of the stuff we already have at home. So I hope you try it. I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.